Remember Hoover? Used to be rows and rows of these things. Made in USA. This one's messed up. The thing runs no matter what. It's not even that used and old. But nobody wants it. Made in USA. So it's getting junked. Had it for sale for about over a month. So it's done. Cord's coming off. And in the bin it goes. Yep. Vacuum bags. Vintage shit. Vintage shit. Brand new bag in it too. Yeah, it keeps on going crazy though on the bottom. I have no idea why. Broken. I used to take the motors out of these now. Fuck that, man. Then to give you a white goods price for the motor, it's not even worth your effort. I can't cut it. This thing's messed up. That's a nice rubber grommet, but I don't care.